Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to check the Instagram block list. First, you need to open the Instagram application. If you want to see everyone that you've blocked on the app, all you have to do is tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then we will tap the three lines at the top right. Now, we're going to choose Settings and Privacy. As I scroll down, you will see Restricted Accounts and Blocked Accounts. To get to your blocked list, you can simply tap Blocked Accounts and this will display your entire block list. Of course, you can go to any of these and tap Unblock if you want to unblock an account. You can also tap You May Want to Block and this will show people that Instagram thinks you should block. You can always tap the plus icon at the very top right if you want to block new people on your account and add them to that block list. Of course, you can delete this entire block list by tapping Unblock on all of the people that are currently blocked and remove them all if you want to. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.